Model, 67-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2700 Sport 1.6 Cdti BTSS needs turbo, still starts VAT inclusive. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 204,320. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6125 PS BITURBO S, SC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Turbo needs replacing. Straightforward turbo replacement job, very well spec. Vivaro Sportive will be an absolute bargain for someone who bolts a turbo on grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, aircon, cruise Contron, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.